Good job! You found yourself your way to the survival server. Immediately you will notice that you have some basic survival items in your inventory, included with a top hat. Wow, that looks great on you. One of the first things you're gonna want to do in this survival server is find yourself a place to live. Now we made this easy for you by giving you a random teleport key. Here we will show you how to use it. When you look above the chest, it says /kit random TP to random teleport. So let's type that down. You will see that you received a key. Right click the key on the chest and you will start random teleporting. And there you go. You're in your random location on the world. Now you can either use this random location to build your house or travel a bit further and look for a nicer location. In this case, the spawn was really lucky. We actually managed to find a pirate ship right where we teleported. It even had a captain's chest. Nice! Now back to the mainland. Let's find ourselves a spot where we want to live. I decided that this savannah was a nice location to build our first home. We could get some wood and build our house. I decided that this was a really nice area to build it. So I'll speed it up a little bit so you guys don't have to wait for me. Oh no, it's starting to get night already. I'm gonna have to hurry. Here we are building our first chest. And as you can see, when we place it, it gives us a message. It tells us that our nearby blocks are protected. What does that mean? A lot of players like to do big projects, and it would be a shame if a griever came along and broke it. That's why we can protect our land, and you can use a stick to check what land is protected. The glowstone and gold corners basically work like a border. Everything inside of the border is protected by your claim, and no one else can break it. Now that our house is finished, we want to be able to come back to this house at any moment. For that, we have a home plugin. Simply open the chat and type /sethome and your home will be set. So now if you're ever caving around and you happen to be attacked by a zombie and want to get home, just type /home. Make sure you aren't moving, otherwise the request will be cancelled. Phew, that was close. Now stand still, type /home and you'll be back in no time. Good job on making that farm. Now make sure that everything is inside the claim. Now by the rules, griefing isn't allowed. So why bother even claiming? I'll explain it to you. As you just saw, this farmland isn't fully claimed. Now let's see what happens when we log out. While your farmland is unattended, anyone can come there and take anything. Look at this evil man stealing your dirt block. Now of course griefing isn't allowed, so yeah, he'll be banned. But what will happen with your dirt block? Well, you're not getting it back. Your land wasn't claimed, so you won't be reimbursed. The griever will still be punished, but you'll lose your stuff. So make sure you claim your land so that you can keep your items. So, let's get on with it then. Let's claim our land and protect it. You can type /kit to open the kit menu. Find the kit gold shovel. You're using the gold shovel to expand and create claims. Now what I did to expand it was right click the glowstone corner with the gold shovel and click in a different area. This moves the border to wherever you click next. Now there's also another way, which some people prefer doing, which is abandoning all your claims and making a new big one. Once you've abandoned all your claims, simply right click on one spot, run to wherever you want to be, and right click the other spot, and it will... Oh, that's weird. It's telling you you don't have enough blocks to claim the area. Now, that's not an issue. You can just buy more blocks, but that costs money. So let's quickly show how to get some money to buy more claim blocks. You can type /spawn to return to the spawn area. Over here, just run to the far back, and on the right you will see a blue machine. Here you can sell some gold ingots and some diamonds. Now luckily, we found some gold ingots in the captain's chest, so we can sell those for 20 each. Now we can buy some more claim blocks. Now you can do so by typing /buy claim blocks, and then the amount you need. We needed 312, because earlier it was telling us that's what we were missing. So then we do a simple /home, and we're back to where we were. Now, what we do is grab a gold shovel, grab the same corner as last time, right click it, run to the other side, and click it again on the ground. There we go. Claim created. This entire area is now protected. It's time to log out again. Now, let's say a couple days have passed, and the first griefer is unbanned. He returns, and he's straight where he was. He realized you replaced the dirt block. He's gonna want that again. Ha! He can't break it! It's claimed and it's safe. He has nothing to do anymore. And there you go. You can safely log out of the server without worrying about your house being griefed. However, when you check your balance with /balance, you notice you don't have a lot of money. Now let's see if there are any ways to make more. We're gonna go to spawn for that. Let's walk outside. What's that? Markets. Great. Here are some rules about the markets. Please make sure you're following these rules so that your market won't be removed. Now, to create a chest shop in your market, here's an example to how to make it. Now, let's first see what other people have made. Wow, there's a lot of buildings here, and they all seem to sell their own stuff. Now, what if I want to make my own? You can basically grab any free area you find, as long of course it's following the rules. Now, we're not gonna make a market ourselves right now. However, a free spot like this would be great to make a little building. Markets are great because you can sell items you make yourself, and then other players can buy it. So if you're ever interested in making some extra money, just make a market. Oh hey, look at that. It's your friend. Now he's at spawn, not sure how to get to you. There are two ways to do it. Either you can type /TPA and then his name, and you can teleport to him once he accepts it, or you can type /TPA here and then his name, and he can accept it to come to you. Because you claimed your area, that means it's protected. That even means your friend can't build or break. So you agreed with your friend he's allowed to do that. So let's show you the command. While standing in the claim, you type /trust and then his name, and then enter. There you go, he's now able to open chests. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you managed to learn something new and can now find your way in the RBMC. And also thank you everyone for playing on the server. It's such an honor being the owner of a great community like this. You guys are making amazing builds and doing great stuff, and keep it going guys, it's amazing. If you happen to be playing on the server and there's a new player not knowing the way around, just send them this video. It should explain most of the things. Share it to everyone that needs some help. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time. Enjoy these clips.